Law of Abundance states there is an unlimited amount of resources and wealth and opportunities for everyone out there. But you have to be in that abundant mindset in order to receive everything that's available for you. How do you do that? Gratitude. Lately, I've been talking a lot about gratitude because that is something that I have been missing in my current reality. I have so much, I've done so much, I've come so far, but I forget to appreciate the little things that I do have. Gratitude. We should wake up, number one, and be happy that we're alive. We have air to breathe, we have trees that provide oxygen, we have water to wash your face and brush your teeth. Every little thing that you show gratitude for, God, universe, source, whatever you resonate with, is going to send you more abundance, more money. Money's huge. If you want more money, stop telling yourself you're broke and be happy for what you have. When you pay a bill, say thank you. When you're paying your electricity bill, thank you for the electricity. Thank you for the air. When you're paying your water bill, thank you. When you're paying your car note, thank you. When you pay your mortgage, thank you. Because without all that, where would you be? You wouldn't have a home, you wouldn't have air, you wouldn't have a heater, you wouldn't have water. What would you be doing? So expressing gratitude is huge when it comes to manifestation. So if you want more, then you need to be grateful for what you currently have in your current reality. Sounds easy because it is easy, but you just have to release all those negative thoughts of when it comes to paying bills or what you don't have or what you wish you had or always telling yourself that you're broke. No, sit with gratitude. Before you grab your phone, before you get up to take a shower, just sit there and say, thank you. I am grateful that I woke up today. I am grateful that my husband made it to work. I am grateful for our house. So the more you sit in abundance, you are opening up yourself to receive 10 times more. So gratitude. Practice gratitude. When it comes to manifestation, gratitude. Law of abundance. You will become a magnet to whatever it is you want when you start to show gratitude for what you have now.